This chapter is about object normals. Normals are vectors that are perpendicular to each surface of a mesh. Let's take a closer look at normals. Switch to Edit Mode and open the Mesh Edit Mode Overlays menu. In the Normals section, turn on the rightmost icon to display Face Normals. Now you can see the normals for the 6 faces of the object. You can adjust the size of the normals by increasing the size value. One important thing to note is that normals usually extend outward from the surface. As you change the angle of a face, the normal adjusts accordingly while maintaining its perpendicular orientation. Next, check the Face Orientation option in the Viewport Overlays menu. Now, the faces are displayed in blue. Blue represents the front side of the mesh. Switch to Face Select mode and delete a face. You'll see that the back side of the mesh appears in red. Normals are generally set to face outward. If the direction is incorrect, the appearance of the model may be affected, and you might encounter various issues during the modeling process. For example, let's apply a subdivision surface modifier. The subdivision surface modifier increases the resolution of the mesh. Comparing the two cubes, you can clearly see the difference. In fact, one of the faces of the right cube had its normal flipped in the opposite direction. The incorrectly displayed face appears red, indicating that the normal is incorrect. To fix this, select the face, go to the Mesh menu, navigate to the Normals section, and choose Flip. The hotkey for this is Alt-N. Now all normals are facing outward and the modifier is applied correctly. During modeling, you may often encounter situations where normals are unintentionally flipped. The sphere on the screen is an extreme example where the display looks incorrect. In such cases, go to the Mesh menu, navigate to the Normals section, and select Recalculate Outside. Alternatively, press Alt-N and choose Recalculate Outside. The hotkey for this function is Shift-N. If you notice incorrect normals, enter Edit Mode, press A to select all, then press Shift-N to quickly fix the normals in one go.